In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign tasks on Trello. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open a task card and assign it to the right person so your workflow stays clear and accountable. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Trello. This is a quick way to land on the official site if you don't have it bookmarked. When the results load, click the Trello website result. You'll be taken to Trello's homepage, where you can access your boards. If you're prompted to sign in, just use your usual account so you can reach your workspace and boards. Once you're in Trello, open a board. A board is the home for your project, usually organized into lists like to do, doing, and done. Choose the board where your task lives, or the one where you plan to assign work to your teammate. Give the board a second to load so all lists and cards appear clearly. Next, click on a card. A card is a single task or deliverable. You'll see it as a small tile within a list. Selecting it opens the detailed view. This detailed view is where you manage everything about the task, including descriptions, attachments, checklists, due dates, and, most importantly for today, who is responsible for it. Inside the card, find and click Members. Depending on your layout, this may appear on the right side in the Add to Card section or near the top of the card interface. Clicking Members opens a panel where you can assign people to the card. This panel includes your workspace members and a search field, which is especially helpful if your team is large. Now choose the member you want to assign to this card. You can scroll through the list or type their name in the search field to filter quickly. Click the person's name or avatar to add them. You'll know it worked when their avatar appears on the card. Assigning someone makes them clearly responsible, adds the card to their Assigned to Me view, and ensures they get relevant notifications. If this task needs collaboration, you can select more than one member so responsibilities are shared and visible to the team. That's it. You've searched for Trello, opened your board, selected a card, clicked Members, and chosen the right teammate to own the task. Repeat the same steps for any other cards that need an assignee, and your board will stay organized, transparent, and easy to manage.